Alright, YouTube, Fuzz the Pie guys back again. I'm new to this Arduino IDE software, but been messing around with it. Came across an issue. I was having problems trying to upload some stuff to an ESP8266. Well, I figured out the problem. If you go to File, Preferences, and scroll down here, you click on that, that brings up a folder. Then you want to click on Packages, ESP, Hardware, ESP, and delete the older folder, or remove it. Once I did that, I was able to upload, and hit OK there. I was able to upload what I wanted to the 8266 with no issue. Thanks for watching.